Dear family, friends, and my recovery community, this morning, as I sat in quiet reflection, tears of gratitude filled my eyes. Today, I celebrate 2 years clean and sober, 2 years of learning to live life on life's terms one day at a time. I woke up this morning not just alive, but truly living, and that's something I don't take for granted. There was a time when I was only surviving, when the pain, confusion, and chaos drowned out everything else. I might not have been physically gone, but I was dead inside. Thanks to the love, guidance, and support from all of you, I've been able to rebuild my life, my spirit, and my faith in myself and others. To NJRC and Bokeh, thank you for giving me a foundation when I needed it most, for providing structure, guidance, and a safe space to heal and grow. To my alumni group and recovery network, you've become family. You've shown me what accountability, compassion, and unconditional support really look like. To my sponsor, Zach, thank you for never co-signing my nonsense and for challenging me to stay honest, humble, and hungry for growth. And to my friends and loved ones who never gave up on me, even when I gave up on myself, I love you deeply. Your patience, faith, and encouragement carried me through some dark moments. Every conversation, every meeting, every moment of truth has shaped the man I'm becoming. Today, I walk with gratitude in my heart and love in my spirit. I still have work to do. I always will. But I am no longer running from life. I'm walking with it, with all of you by my side. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for believing in me, guiding me, and loving me until I could love myself. With love and eternal gratitude, I appreciate you.